Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're working on today is we're going to be putting a brand new spacer on. And what happened was we were out in the field and that pin, one of the pins that was in there must have got stuck on branches or something and pulled it out. And then when that happened, the pin, which runs all the way through here, you can see how it's sticking out here, came out this side and the 3-point hitch dropped down here. I put it back together, but I didn't realize or see the spacer, so that's somewhere out in the field. But if you ever run into this, that's the part number for it. So now we need to go ahead and hammer this back over. But you can see there's the spacer right there. And you can see there's nothing in here now. So this is resting right up against here. So we need to get this spacer in. So let's get our sledge and pound that back over and then take this off and put the new one on. Alright. So you can see that slid all the way back over. So now we can go ahead and take this pin out and slide this off. We'll do it this way. Gotta go through a little bit more. There we go. Now we got our new spacer. Grease on me. But this should be able to slip right on here now. Yep. And we'll line this back up. And we'll hammer it back through. Alright, so you can see there's enough space in there now. Now, there we go. Simple as that. So we got the new spacer in, and now that's not sticking out on the other side like it was. And it's all set. Alright, quick, simple, and easy. Alright, so check out the other videos with the brush hog and finish mower and all that other good stuff with the Kubota. And once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.